Mastering the phrase, draw circles around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the nuances of the English language to make learning both fun and effective. Today, we're exploring a fascinating expression, draw circles around. This phrase is a gem in everyday English, used to compare skills or abilities in a vivid, illustrative manner. So, let's break it down and understand how to use it like a native. Draw circles around is an idiomatic expression that means to be significantly better or more skilled at something than someone else. It conjures the image of one person being so fast or skilled that they can literally run circles around another without effort. But don't worry, it's not about actual drawing or running in circles. It's about showcasing superiority in a particular area. Interestingly, the phrase, draw circles around, doesn't have a clear-cut origin, but it vividly illustrates the idea of one person outperforming another with such ease that it's as if they could engage in an unrelated activity, like drawing circles, simultaneously. It's used in both formal and informal contexts, although it's more common in casual conversations and written anecdotes. For example, you might hear someone say, in terms of coding, she can draw circles around the rest of us, highlighting a remarkable skill in programming. To grasp the phrase's usage better, let's look at a few examples. Despite being new to the team, Martin can already draw circles around the veterans when it comes to innovative solutions. I thought I was good at chess, but my younger sister can draw circles around me. In the kitchen, Chef Ramsay can draw circles around amateurs with his eyes closed. These examples showcase situations where one individual's abilities far surpass another's in specific contexts. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try creating your own sentences using draw circles around. Consider situations from work, school, or hobbies where someone's skills are notably superior. This practice will not only enhance your understanding but also enrich your conversational skills in English. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, draw circles around. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you and inspired you to incorporate it into your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is an adventure filled with discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to draw circles around your challenges. Until next time, happy learning!